Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the question that we often see pertaining in the test of mathematics. So our intention as far as the video would be to try and identify the kind of question that are being asked in this kind of examination in general, and also understand the approaches involved towards solving the same, so that whenever we come across this kind of questions in the examination we are easily able to solve the same. So having said that, let's focus on the question at hand here. If theta is an acute angle, then the largest possible value of 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is 4, 3 into 1 plus root 3 by 2, 5 root 2, then 5. Okay. So let's take a look at how we can go about solving the same. Say we have sin theta plus 4 cos theta. Okay. So now let's do something. Let me multiply this entire equation by 5, and then again let me divide both this equation by 5 as well. Okay, so in general 5 and 5 will be cancelled. Okay, so I multiplied this entire thing by 5 and add this entire thing by 5. Okay, now this can be further written as sin theta cos alpha plus cos theta sin alpha, where cos alpha is equal to 3 by 5 and sin alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, basically we have taken a right angled triangle. Okay, so this is what we have considered. So sin A cos B cos A sin B, so this formula is nothing but the representation of the formula sin theta plus alpha. Okay, this angle is considered as alpha. So with that said, so now if we talk about the maximum value, so maximum value of sine is always 1, so therefore sin theta plus alpha, the max value, talk about max, will always be 1. So therefore max value of this entire term will be nothing but 5 into 1, therefore 5. So maximum value will be 5. That is, option D is the correct answer. So this was again a very interesting question. All we did was simply represent this following equation in terms of a Pythagorean triplet. So yeah, this is this thing 4, 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplet, and we simply represented the same in that term and easily solved the question. So in case you are having any kind of difficulty with respect to the question here, I suggest you go through the video multiple times to get a clear understanding on how we came about with solving the same. So having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. And with all that said, I am signing off. Thank you so much.